Hello to the Master's and Graduate Certificate in Regulatory Science class of 2021. On behalf of the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy's faculty, staff, and alumni, I offer you my sincerest congratulations on your graduation, a milestone you soon won't forget. One of the rites of passage that COVID-19 pandemic has impacted is the traditional graduation ceremony for our PharmD, our PhD, and our master's students. Like you, I am devastated that we can't recognize your tremendous achievements in person as a community right now and formally send you out into the world as a trained and capable regulatory scientist you have become. I tip my hat to all of you for persevering during an extremely difficult year and finishing your degree program. Today is a day to celebrate this achievement. When thinking about the graduates of our Master's and Graduate Certificate in Regulatory Science program, several words come to mind: leadership, innovation, and expertise. Dr. Polly refers to you as superstars with an average of 8 years of work experience prior to enrolling in our program. I dare say you are all ambitious working professionals. You already had full-time jobs, but wanted to pursue additional education in a high-profile discipline that will now position you to make an incredible impact in the field of regulatory science. And you are a diverse group, joining our program from a range of nationalities, professional perspectives, and specialities. As working professionals, you took a risk by adding to your job and family responsibilities and enrolled in an online program. You chose well in selecting the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy to further your education. As you know, there is a vital need for qualified regulatory scientists with the knowledge and skills to develop new tools, standards, and approaches to assess the safety, the efficacy, quality, and performance of new drug products and medical devices. Our Master's and Graduate Certificate in Regulatory Science program meets that need. The program grew out of the School of Pharmacy's partnership with the Food and Drug Administration through its funding of the Maryland Center of Excellence in Regulatory Science and Innovation, our collaborative grant with the University of Maryland, College Park. The School of Pharmacy's goal in creating the Master's and Graduate Certificate in Regulatory Science program was simple: to establish one of the most useful and impactful graduate programs in regulatory science, without borders. We have been truly overwhelmed by the incredible support that this program has received, witnessed by you, the 38 members of the class of 2021, who now join the program's 177 prior alumni. Graduates, you have been well-trained for a wide range of opportunities in drug and biologics research and development, including regulatory science positions in the pharmaceutical and the biotechnology industries, and in government agencies, including the FDA, the NIH, the Department of Defense, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Truly, there is no limit to what you can achieve, and I offer you my congratulations on a job well done. Graduates, make us proud and come see us often. Congratulations again.
Hello, my name is James Polly, and I am the Graduate Program Director of the Regulatory Science Program. Congratulations to the University of Maryland Regulatory Science Class of 2021. This is the 7th annual Regulatory Science graduating class. Although the program is exclusively online and designed for working professionals, I am very sorry that we could not be together today. Typically, almost all graduates attend today's festivities, illustrating their sense of accomplishment and happiness to be done. It is great to meet our regulatory science classmates and teammates in person at graduation, sometimes even for the first time meeting. Of course, Many of you attended the in-person alumni student event in fall 2019. We've had a few virtual gatherings since, but I look forward to seeing you all in person when we can, which hopefully is in the near future. In the meantime, congratulations. This past year has demonstrated the wonder that is medical product development, and everyone is counting on you, which is fine since graduation means you have some of your time back. Again, congratulations and hope to see you soon.
I'm Sophie Harper, and I'm thrilled to be graduating with my Master of Science degree in Regulatory Science. What first caught my eye about the Regulatory Science program here at the University of Maryland is how every aspect of it relates to real-world practice. The course structure, beginning with an introduction to drug, biologic, and device regulation, follows the life cycle of drugs in particular, from the initial discovery of a product to their development, the clinical research that is required and conducted to obtain marketing approval, and post-marketing regulations in the United States and internationally. Of course, the COVID-19 pandemic threw us all a curveball. However, the pandemic also served as a learning experience, providing a historic opportunity for the program's graduate students to apply our studies to a novel real-world event. The format of the program is incredibly flexible in that assignment topics are to be selected by the students in relation to a broad subject. This gave me the freedom to pursue research related to COVID-19 vaccines and treatments, using what I have learned throughout the course to discuss topics such as avoiding selection bias against pregnant women in COVID-19 vaccine trials. Along with the vast technical knowledge that I gained from the program, I was also able to develop leadership and management skills through the various team projects. Collaborating on research projects can be tough, especially when the format is virtual and remote, but working with individuals from various places with different professional backgrounds is an important aspect of regulatory science. Working with my team in this program helped me understand the importance of hearing and incorporating other perspectives. I was also able to step up as a leader to organize our projects and ensure that all deadlines were met. I want to thank our incredibly dedicated instructors in the Regulatory Science program, as well as Dr. Polly and Cherise Essien for their support and encouragement. And to my fellow graduating students, remember that our education does not stop here. We have learned over the past year that life can be unexpected, and as we move forward in our careers, we must consider our graduate studies to respond to life's challenges and continue learning to help keep everyone safe and healthy. Congratulations to everyone. Here's to a happy and healthy future for all.
Yasir Abdi, Justin Anohori, Mohammed Ansari, Iam Bai, Corey Bolzman, Anna Dizik, Maria Drayton, Janet Edwards, Junina Garcia, Sophie Harper, Bhavna Joyce, Dipti Kalra, Naoma Kalu, Lori Collegian, Tommy Lee, Matthew Lockheed, Sharon Lukis Nieves, Shankia Martinborough, Mick Miller, Zara Mundeli, Paula Uruaku, Reina Panya, Brian Proctor. Anna Nicole Puru. Moses Sibuka. Surika Sridhar. Ahmed Solomon. Crosby Winters. Aluya Yohannes. Taylor Brown. Anne Chang. Ana Luisa Coutinho. Kevin Gwendon. Havari Jr. Francesca Notar Angelo. Brenda Rigetz. Jayla Sujarian. Jinwen Yu. Song Yuan Zhao.
In accordance with the recommendation of the faculty of the Graduate School, I confer upon these candidates the degree Master of Science in recognition of their successful completion of all requirements. I am pleased to accept these candidates, and I confer upon each of you the degree Master of Science.
Congratulations to the 2021 Masters of Regulatory Science graduates. Best of luck in the future.
Congratulations to the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy Class of 2021.
Congratulations and best of luck in the future.
Congratulations, Class of 2021. You have done extremely well, and we are very proud of you.
Congratulations, Class of 2021. You did it.
Congratulations to the Class of 2021.
Class of 2021, congratulations.
Congratulations, Class of 2021. We're so proud of you.
Congratulations, Class of 2021. You made it.
Congratulations, Class of 2021. You did it.
Congratulations.
Class of 2021.
From the Office of Student Affairs. Yay! You did it!